Hi class, today I'm going to introduce my innovator. Her name is Sophie Howard, most known as the Amazon selling queen these last few years. So I'm going to start by explaining who's Sophie. She lives in Wanaka, New Zealand, and has two young children. She is a nurse, but 5 years ago, she just decided to start her own online business, and she's decided to sell stuff through Amazon, and she is now a successful Amazon seller and online business coach, and she now helps entrepreneurs to build their own brands and sell their online businesses. What made her famous? She has built and sold a seven-figure Amazon e-commerce business in less than 2 years. She launched her first Amazon business by selling handmade products from Nepal, and she just kept doing the same thing, buying stuff from another countries super cheap and then selling these products through Amazon. Everything using her phone, and then she just kept doing it, like creating businesses and then selling them, and then creating businesses again and selling them. And so now she's an expert, and she's helping other people to create their own businesses too and sell them as well. So I believe she's an innovative person because she's just taking advantage of technology and online businesses already created, like Amazon. She launched a book last year, and she has a training program, so everyone who wants to learn how to create an online business just has to go to her website, and she'll be able to give you classes for that. So I really admire her, and maybe, who knows, I'll have my online business one day too. Thanks.